This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
Welcome back to Road Warriors. This is Battle 21 and maybe the last for Road Warriors Season 3. I have mixed things around tonight. Mark D did a fantastic review of the order of the races. However, what I've done is we have Variant Skunk Works who's on top on 28 points. Tito Racing is equal on top at 28. Poboy Racing is on 27 and Blue Line Racing is on 26. Any one of these four teams can take out this competition. I've left these races until the very last four battles. So let's get into the first race tonight. First up on the starters grid is Metal Mania 3D on 19 points. Going up against the other Aussie, Lucas on 14. You can see the leaders out there on 28 points. Let's rock and roll. Metal Mania 3D and that Welly Volkswagen bringing home an 8600. Very quick out of Battle 21. Don't forget these cars have been racing flat stick for 21 events, 21 battles. No one has broken down yet. Metal Mania 3D bringing home the double and a rollover there by Lucas. Let's go back and look at the replay here. Lucas was in a comfortable position to take that race out. However, the Welly Metal Mania 3D just grabs him almost on the line. On the outside, we have James Kirk in the Flying Brick going up against Crazy Canoe in the Mini Challenge. 104 grams versus 68. James Kirk's been driving for the Fractal Panda team, a past winner here in Road Warriors. Crazy Canuck having a very upsetting season. Not too sure what was wrong with the car, just unlucky on this particular track at the moment. The new track is almost complete and that will be called Shorty, which will race under the Mount Western Raceway Hot Car Track umbrella. Another double out of the first two races, James Kirk for Fractal Panda and a 9.840. Better times than last week. Crazy Canuck had a good line out of turn one right there, but lost it on the sidewall. 19 versus 24. Payne MD on 19. Cut Rock Racing on 24. The leader's on 28. Mark D, the heavier car, weighing 84 grams. An easy stroll across the line there for the Aussie Cut Rock Racing. Payne MD getting stuck up out of turn one. Let's look at this. He had the outside line right, but decided to go low and consequently into the sidewall he goes. Payne MD holding the inside. Cut Rock Racing also bringing home the big double points, a bit too late in the season. Payne MD did manage to cross the line, however I think he might have some steering issues. He's alright going down low. As he comes out of turn one, yeah, there's something wrong. Redline Savage Inc. on the outside in the crew cab, weighing 117, going up against Gonzo and Galactica. This car is weighing 80 grams. Redline Savage Inc. successful getting down the bottom, but a slow time again in a 10.080. Redline Savage Inc. has been struggling lately with the crew cab. I think he might have some steering issues. You see here from the replay, Gonzo just being shoved out of the way by that big 29 crew cab. This is TJ Gonzo's first season here on Mount Western Raceway. Gonzo trying to make up some late speed there. However, it is Redline Savage Inc. who gets across the line first. And also another doubler for tonight. How many is this we had? Gonzo just leaving his run a little bit too late. On the outside is Mad Mike, driving Max, weighing 48 grams, going up against Jack Sparrow in Black Pearl. This one's weighing 113 grams. That was a very fine race there by both teams. However, it is Mad Mike who crosses the line first in a 10.520. He's driving for NZ Racing. Jack Sparrow doing some savage blocking right up high. Pays the consequence though. Goes down low and is unable to get that speed out of turn 1. The last race for Road Warriors Season 3 for these two teams. Mad Mike's leaving the course tonight with a doubler. This will put him in really good shape going into Road Warriors Season 4. Jack Sparrow, however, unlucky tonight not getting a win. There he is, that mighty car. Look at that, good looking vehicle. And you can see Jack Sparrow here trying to go on the inside. Unable to do it, Mad Mike just pushes in front of him and says, I'm taking the line first, mate. On the outside is DJ Triple J in those black fire tyres going up against Lily the Dog in 100 bones. It's 78 versus 56 grams. DJ Triple J showing us how it's done. See the car get pulled up there on the rails? That's those black fire tyres just hugging those rails. Nice little battle here. Lily the Dog just blocks DJ Triple J. However, DJ Triple J has the last laugh and crosses that line first. I'm wondering what DJ Triple J will bring to the race course in Road Warriors Season 4. Lily the Dog not content on leaving unless they have a point out of Battle 21, and well done to both teams here. They've squared up this battle. There they are, both good looking vehicles, all in good shape and no damage. You can see Lily the Dog here just gets that push right down the back and just takes control of Mount Western Raceway. Next up we have Chuck's Garage in Riverton going up against Marco Marpelli for Cloak After Dark Racing. It's 79 grams versus 64. It's Chuck's Garage's first time on Mount Western Raceway, and he's doing very fine in 17 points after 21 battles. Marco Marpelli has had a struggle of a season, however the car is in good shape, and the Lamborghini should really outperform this track. However, not so in Road Warriors Season 3. Riverton picking some nice lines around the course and also brings home a double for their team, Chuck's Garage. Looking at the replay here, I've noticed Marco Marpelli in that Lambo always slow out of the gate. Here we go, do or die for Poboy Racing, who's currently on 27 points. Warpig's on 21 and the leader is on 28. Poboy Racing needs to get the doubler out of these two races. Warpig 76 taking Poboy Racing right on the line. Oh no! This is devastation here for Poboy Racing. Oh, let's go back and look at this replay. Poboy had it right in the bag. Coming out of turn 2, he just saw the opening, hit the sidewall, almost off into the rocks and choked. There's still hope for Poboy. If he takes this one out, that'll put him on 28. Warpig 76 taking the victory away there from Poboy Racing. Warpig 76, this is their first season on Mount Western Raceway in the custom event, Road Warriors Season 3. Well done, Poboy Racing. Unlucky for you, mate. We will see you again back in Road Warriors Season 4. Next up, Blue Line Racing is looking for the doubler. He needs to get to 28 points. Crazy Jordan on 13 points is driving for Hot Wheel Boys out of New Zealand. A nice solid victory there for Blue Line Racing. This will put him on 27, one below the leaders, and anything can happen here on Road Warriors. This is a fantastic race. Look at Crazy Jordan tailgating Blue Line Racing, trying to just push him out of the way and take the victory. If Blue Line Racing gets to 28 and the other two teams don't win at all, we have a tie-off going into a race-off. Blue Line Racing putting the pressure down on Crazy Jordan, taking home the double up. This puts him on 28. Man, we now have 3 teams on 28 points. Oh, anything's possible. Crazy Jordan almost taking line on us, hits the backside of Blue Line and spins out, and he's out, done and over. Here we go, the current tied leader, Variant Skunk Works on 28, going up against 2D on 24. Waiting for the green. We have a new leader, folks. This is Variant Skunk Works now sitting on 29 points. A 9.720, not one of the fastest times, however, it doesn't matter. You just need to get across that line first. 2D almost pushing Variant Skunk Works off the track there into the helicopter pad. 2D's driving for 100 proof racing. Without a doubt, the Evo crosses first in a 9.120. This puts him out on 30 points. Wow, the pressure's going to be on Tito Racing, who's up next, going up against Hot Car Track. There's 2D driving for 100 proof racing. Thanks again for a great season there, 2D and 100 proof. Hope to see you back on Mount Western Raceway, driving on Shorty and Road Warriors Season 4. Tito Racing is now on 28. He's 2 points behind the leader. He just has to square this off and we go into a race-off. He's going up against Hot Car Track on his home turf. Tito Racing picking some nice lines around the track. He gets across first. This will put him on 29. 1 point behind the current leader. Oh, man. Look at this. He just goes out hard and fast down the back. It's do or die right now. He needs to take out this competition. Look at Hot Car Track right on his tail. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Hot Car Track stealing the thunder away from Tito Racing. Oh no, this is devastation. Oh, let's have a look at this race. Hot Car Track just pushes right in front of Tito and Tito just chokes and spins out. Both cars almost at a standstill. And here comes Tito Racing. He's doing everything he can to get in front of Hot Car Track. Oh, he's going in backwards. He's going down low. And you can just see the disappointment on his face. We finally made it to Battle 21, everyone, and everyone's in good shape and no one had to rent a wreck. Here we go. Here is your leader and winner of Road Warriors Season 3, Variant Skunk Works, followed by Tito Racing, Blue Line Racing, Poboy Racing, Cut Rock Racing on 26, Power Drive Racing, 100 Proof Racing, Isle of Dog on 23, Warpig 76, Fractal Panda, Arlo Racing, Metal Mania 3D, KCLH Racing on 19, Chuck's Garage, Redline Savage Inc., Team Puerto Rico Racing, Hot Car Track, NZ Racing, Justin A350, Hot Wheel Boys, Cloaked After Dark, and Crazy Canoe. Your fastest time tonight was held by the Aussie Metal Mania 3D in the VW Bug. Look at him rip around this track in an 8600 and almost goes over the side. Well done, mate. No big stacks tonight on MWR Battle 21. However, the race of the night goes to these two battling it out, swapping leaderships all the way down the track, with Blue Line Racing just pipping him right on that finish line. Well done to you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the winner of Road Warrior Season 3 2021, Variant Skunk Works. A round of applause. This program would not be made possible if it wasn't for all the builders who have sent in their cars for Road Warriors Season 3 and beyond. A big thank you from Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. Season 4 will happen much later this year as we have 3 massive tournaments to get through before we even consider looking at Road Warriors Season 4. Going forward, Road Warriors and all events here will be raced on 2 tracks. The new track will be called Shorty and the other one is yet to be built and yet to be named. Racing will still race under the umbrella of Hot Car Track on Mount Western Raceway. That's a wrap from Road Warriors Season 3. Until next time, I'll catch you later.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.